Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to Being Guru Electrical channel. This is Mujib Raza with you with class 6 in the PLC programming course. In today's class, we will discuss how we can program a PLC inside a software. So in this class, we will see the software we will use is WPLSOFT version 2.42. And before going to start today's lecture, if you are new on the channel, so hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification to receive the channel updates. And don't forget to like and share the video. So now let's start. This is the general interface of the WPLSOFT software. So first we will create new project. So in the title, program title, what we will write, you can type anything depending on your project. So I will write class 6. You can write here anything. Then we have model type. In the model type, we have 3 options: PLC, VFD and TP. We are programming the PLC, so I will select PLC. Then we have to select the model. So if you have the hardware PLC connected to your computer, so you can select model which is connected to your computer. So I don't have any PLC connected to my PC, so I will take any random. Let's take SV2. Then we have communication setting. So you have multiple communication types. It's Ethernet, RS232, USB, CDC and Ethernet. Depending on your connection, you can select any one of these. So as I don't have the hardware PLC connected, so I will keep as it is and I will not change it. Then I have the file name, DVP0, I will not change. I'll keep as it is. This is the file name of the programming file, so no need to change it. I will keep as it is. Then I will click OK. So tools window will arise. One is the instruction list mode and one is the data diagram mode. Instruction list mode and data diagram mode are 2 types of programming languages by which we can program our PLC. So these 2 type of languages already discussed in the detail in the previous classes. So if you missed the previous classes, I will recommend you to pause the video and go back to the previous classes and watch the complete videos and then start this class 6. So now I will maximize this ladder logic because we will work in the ladder logic. So now this is the general interface. We will not work mostly on the drop down menus. It is same like other softwares. So but we already have the required or the most used item in this icons on. So we have this create new, we have this open, save as, and we have here down this online mode. The PLC should be on the online mode when you want to check your inputs and outputs. Then this is the run mode of the PLC. We have the start mode of the PLC. Then we have the read from PLC. This is called upload, and write to PLC is called download. Then we have the compiler, which is used to check the program for errors or warnings. Then we have the simulator. This simulator is used to check the input. This is used to check the input and output of the PLC without the hardware PLC. As I don't have the PLC connected, so I will use the simulator to check my PLC program. So then we have the relay contacts. We have NO contact, we have NC contact, we have rising edge trigger, falling edge trigger. This you will see in the details. Then we have the output coil. This we have the horizontal line, vertical line. This you will see as we progress in our lectures. So now let's make a simple program. We have one output motor which we will operate from start push button, and we will stop that by a stop push button. So we will take 2 push buttons. So for this we will click here and we will click this icon, normally open contact. So when you click, this window will pop up. In this window we have input device, which is X refer to input, Y refer to output, M refer to memory bit, S refer to status bit, T refer to timer, C refer to counters. So I need input, so I will take X. Then we have the range X0 to X377. So we have to select this device number in between this x0 and 377. So I will take the first one, x0. The command, I'm using this push button for the start function, so I will write start here. You can add anything, so I'll click OK. So now this switch is inserted, or NO contact is inserted. Then next I will put one NC contact for the stop. So I will again take the second one icon, and this pop-up window will arise. Then x0 already dedicated for the start operation, so I will take x1 and I will write here stop, and I will click OK. Then I will take the output coil here. I will click, this is y refer to output, the device number is 0, same in the should become in this range y0 to y377. So I am taking y0 and I will write here motor. I will click OK. So at this is our one rung or one ladder. So this is the end of the program, so I will write end. I will OK. Then I will compile the project and I will turn on the simulator, and I will write the program to PLC. Okay. Now from here we can see this red is showing the PLC is in the stop mode. So I will come here and turn it to start mode and online. So now this run shows the PLC is in the run mode, and this color changing icon is showing the PLC scan cycle or program cycle. So program cycle or scan cycle is already discussed in one complete lecture. You can refer to that lecture if you have any question, or you can put the comment in the comment section down. Okay, so now the PLC is in the run mode. So x0 is off, y0 is off. So if I turn on x0, or y0 will turn on. So if I turn off x0, y0 will turn off. So I will keep this turn on. I need this turn on. Okay, so when I push x0 push button, y0 is turned on. But how I can turn off this y0? I have the stop switch. So when I pushed x1, output will turn on. So this is like not practical example, like this is only to show you how the NO contact and NC contact works. Like if even the x0 is on, the start push button is on, but this is NC, and if you turn it on, this NC will be open. If you turn it on, like when you turn it on, this is open, so it will turn off the output. So let's take latching circuit, because what happened if this is stop switch is not pressed and you turn off this input or release the x0 push button, output gets off. So I want to press x0 and output should turn on, and when I release x0, output should remain turn on. It should be in the same state. So for the latching circuit, what I will do, I will put one contact of y0 in parallel of x0. So for this I will put my PLC to offline mode, and I will click here and I will press the key Control I. So it will add parallel rows in my program. So I will take contact from here, I will select Y, and this is y0, so I will take y0 and I will mention here model latch contact, and I will press OK. Then press here and put the down vertical line. So now again compile, download the PLC, yes, and put to online mode. So now the PLC is online mode. If I press x0, output y0 is turned on. If I release x0, output is still on. Output is latched due to this y0 contact. So this is the latching circuit, how we can make the latching circuit in the PLC. So this is for the digital circuit, and also you can make multiple output or parallel output uh, from the same one input. Like I will put it offline, I will click here, I will put the vertical line down, and I will write here out y1. So it will add one more output in parallel. So again I will compile, I will write to PLC yes, yes, and put online mode. So when I turn x0 or y0 and y1 both will turn on. If I release x0, both output are on. So to turn off the y0 and y1, x1 should be pressed. So it will turn off y0 and y1. So this is for today. I will wait for your feedbacks. In the next lecture we will see how we will see the set and reset function and timers, how we can program the set reset function and the timers in the PLC. I hope you like the video. If you like, so like and share with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe the channel. See you soon in the next video. Thank you.